Good morning, this is Austin here with the Truck Guys. I just wanted to quickly just do a short walk around video of this 2008 6.4 dually for you. So just a couple things I noticed. Obviously that is cracked at the back. You do have your parking sensors in the rear. This dually does have airbags with a compressor inside. A couple of scratches right there. So I know a couple things we did on this 6.4. We did new downpipes, we did a new turbo, ball joints, of course, fresh oil change. And then we had it detailed as well. This is your Lariat, fully loaded, so you have your power seats, you have a sunroof, you have heated seats for the driver and passenger. There's going to be your onboard compressor. And again, 92,000 miles on it. Very, very clean. It looks like nobody's ever sat back here. I don't see any stains or cuts in the leather. And everything looks incredible. Of course, sunroof up top. No blow by as well. She'll just sit right there. So just a couple things that I really like about this Power Stroke. You do have adjustable mirrors, so you can push those in and out. They're all electronic. Get 92,000 miles on it. You have your steering wheel controls. Of course, 4-wheel drive. That all does work. You have your adjustable foot pedals at the bottom, your trailer brakes. You have your auxiliary switches if you ever want to hook up lights, fuel tanks, whatever it may be. And then this also comes with your bench seat. So you can fold that up, and then you have a third seat. Hopefully this helps you out just a little bit. Again, this is Austin with the Truck Guys. This truck runs and drives fantastic. Again, my shop has gone through it. We have done some work to it to get it to near perfect of where we would like it to be. Of course, it is a 2008. It does have almost 93,000 miles on it. So, of course, it's not going to be perfect. But for the price and for the mileage and the condition it's in and all the work we've done, this truck has many, many years and miles to go. So hopefully this video helps you out just a little bit. Give me a call if you have any other questions. My number is 801-580-9587. And again, this is Austin with the Truck Guys.